Welcome back to our cozy kitchen.
Today we are making a comforting bitter melon sour soup.
Cutting the melon open.
Removing the seeds to balance the flavor.
Thin slices will cook quickly and stay crunchy. Such a beautiful, healthy vegetable.
Let us set this aside.
Now for the spongy taro stems.
Peeling the stems makes them perfectly tender.
These will absorb all the delicious soup.
A little salt helps clean them perfectly.
Rinsing them in fresh, cold water. Nice and clean. Next, our juicy red tomatoes.
Cutting them into wedges for the broth. Adding some earthy mushrooms.
Halving them so they cook beautifully.
And some silky white tofu. Bite-sized cubes of healthy protein.
Hit like for this healthy vegan option.
A little shallot and fresh herbs for aroma.
Preparing our tamarind base. Softening it in hot water.
Creating that perfect sweet and sour juice.
Time to build our soup.
Splash of oil to start.
Frying the shallots until fragrant.
Smells wonderful already. In go our tomatoes and mushrooms.
Sautéing them briefly.
Creating a rich base.
Adding our fresh water.
Okay. Such a beautiful color. Bringing it to a strong boil. Straining in our sour tamarind.
Seasoning to balance the flavors.
A touch of soy sauce for umami depth. Mixing it all together. Gently adding our soft tofu.
Letting it simmer gently. In goes the beautiful bitter melon.
We only need to cook this for 2 minutes.
Keeping them crunchy and bright green.
Adding the taro stems last.
So incredibly comforting. Everything is perfectly cooked.
Turning off the heat immediately.
Our soup is ready. Ready for serving.
Serving up all this goodness.
A beautiful base. Making sure we get a bit of everything.
Pouring that amazing sour broth over top.
It looks spectacular.
A generous garnish of fresh herbs.
This adds the final touch of flavor.
Subscribe for more healthy vegetarian recipes.
Let us take this to the table.
Soup is served.
This warm, sour soup is incredibly comforting.
Perfect with a bowl of warm rice. Time to enjoy. The aroma is so relaxing.
Perfect balanced bite.
Slightly bitter, sweet, and wonderfully sour.
Nourishing for the body and soul. Nature's beautiful colors. A perfect morning in the kitchen.
Indeed. I hope you try making this at home.
Thank you for joining our kitchen. Have a wonderful, healthy meal.
Cooked with love.
Every detail counts.
A bowl full of health. Beautiful kitchen light. perfectly presented.
Do not forget to like and subscribe.
Such natural, healthy ingredients.
A true home-cooked delight.
See you in the next journey.